This is a conveyor belt. The products are conveyed from this side to the other side. There is a sensor here. When it detects a product, the film starts running. The entire machine is actually operated by 3 servo motors. One servo motor controls the conveyor belt. Another controls the rotation position of the film. The third controls when the cutting knife comes down. So these 3 servo motors form an integrated system. Because the product is conveyed from here to here, there is a distance of about 1 meter. This is a sensor. When it detects the product, the 3 servo motors work together as a system. He started calculating internally when the knife should cut. In this system, the customer can enter the product's length, width, and height on the touch screen. So this entire system will automatically set the timing accordingly.